Hi, I'm Emma, and today I'm showing you exactly how to make this viral corn pizza in your air fryer. Alright, let's talk ingredients. You're going to need one 7-ounce can of corn, that's about 200 grams, drained completely. For cheese, you'll need 2 ounces, about 50 grams, of shredded Edam or mozzarella. Both work great. You'll also need about 1 ounce, 30 grams, of Grana Padano or Parmesan. This goes on top and creates those gorgeous golden caramelized bits that make everything better. For seasoning, a pinch each of black pepper, sweet paprika, and dried oregano. And for the toppings after baking, cream cheese, cooked prosciutto, fresh lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. Start by draining your canned corn really well. Give it a good shake in the colander, then pat it dry with a paper towel. Spread your drained corn into a flat, even circle on the parchment paper. Aim for about ½ inch thick, roughly 1.5 centimeters. Sprinkle your black pepper, sweet paprika, and oregano evenly over the entire surface. And this is where things get really good. Take your Edam or mozzarella and scatter it over the entire corn base. Make sure you cover every single edge, right to the corners, no bare spots. Then add your Grana Padano or Parmesan on top. This second layer is the secret weapon. It melts differently, it gets deeper, nuttier, and creates those little crispy brown patches that are absolutely addictive. Alright, into the air fryer. Set your temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 degrees Celsius, and your timer for 15 minutes. Close it up and let your air fryer do its thing. Now, here's the deal with air fryers. They're all a little different. If yours runs hot, check at the 12-minute mark. You want golden and bubbly, not burned. Once you've made this once, you'll know your machine perfectly. When your timer goes off, take the basket out and let the pizza base rest for about 5 to 7 minutes before you add your toppings. I know, it smells incredible and you just want to eat it immediately, but this step matters. As it cools, the corn and cheese bind together even more. The base firms up from the edges inward. If you add toppings while it's still super hot, everything will slide around and the base may break when you try to lift it. And now, the fun part. Spread a generous layer of cream cheese across the whole surface. Don't be shy, this is the source of your corn pizza, and it needs to be generous enough to hold everything together. Layer on your prosciutto next. Now, prosciutto here is cooked, so it has this slightly savoury, salty punch that pairs beautifully with the sweet corn base. If you can't find prosciutto, cooked ham or even crispy bacon works just as well. Add a fresh lettuce leaf, just one, laid flat. Then a few slices of tomato and some cucumber rounds. The contrast between the warm, crispy, cheesy base and those cool, fresh vegetables? Oh man, that's the bite that's going to make you want to make this every single week. And here's the thing I love most about this recipe. It's completely customizable. Swap out prosciutto for smoked salmon, add some avocado, throw on a few capers or pickled jalapenos if you like heat. The corn base is your blank canvas. Hey, quick question for you. If you were making this right now, what would your dream topping combo be? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one and I genuinely get so excited seeing your ideas. So that's it. Corn pizza in your air fryer. No dough, no oven, no complicated techniques. Just a can of corn, some cheese, 15 minutes, and a little creativity. I really hope you give this one a try this week. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel more than you know. And subscribe to Emma Tips if you haven't already, so you never miss a new recipe. See you in the next one!